Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my double pork sausage rolls and a homemade ketchup. This is perfect for a Sunday afternoon, this one. Alright, let's get on with it. 400 gram can of crushed tomatoes, put that into a food processor, just like that. And I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons worth of salt, about 3 tablespoons worth of caster sugar, and around about 80 ml of apple cider vinegar. All into the one little food processor. Give that a blitz for around about 45 to 60 seconds, and we're going to end up with this beautiful puree. Put that into a saucepan, just like that, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on sort of low, and I'm just going to let this thing cook away. We want to cook that tomato out and get all those flavors incorporated. Every now and then just come in and give it a stir, and I like to cook this nice and low. We don't want it to burn and catch the bottom. We want it also to reduce. As you can see, that is thickening up really nicely, and once we've got it sort of pretty thick, sort of almost like that, we can pretty much get ready to strain that off. So in a sieve or a strainer, we're going to put all of that mixture straight in, just like that, really simple, and we want to get rid of any of those larger chunks and seeds, alright, that will be in the tomato. So just push all of that down into your strainer, and what we can do is start pushing that through, get all of that beautiful tomato through. I've given that pot a quick wash because I'm going to go an extra step. Once we've got all that beautiful clean puree with no lumps and chunks, put that straight back into your pot, put that on low again, and let that reduce all the way down until you've got a consistency that you like. As you can see, we've got a real nice thick tomato sauce, basically. Okay, so put that into a bowl, put it aside, let that sit for about 30 minutes or so, let it come down to room temperature, and there you've got your beautiful homemade tomato ketchup. Alright, let's make up our double pork rolls. First bit of pork is bacon. Why? Because everything is better with bacon. Put one lot of bacon down on a piece of pre-bought or store-bought puff pastry. Quicker and easier to do that than trying to make it yourself. Alright, so make sure we've got a nice even amount of sausage there, and all we're going to simply do is roll these over. Make sure you get rid of that blue paper because it does not taste good, as I've said before, and I've tried it. Okay, so just roll those over. These are going to be a little bit larger than the ones I normally make, but they are worth it. We're going to waste a little bit more pastries than what I normally will, but as I said, absolutely worth it. So roll those over, make sure we've got a nice overlap at the bottom there, as you can see, and we're just going to trim that edge off with a knife. Right? How easy is this so far? And if you haven't tried making your own sausage rolls before, why not? They're so good, and at least you know what is in them as opposed to what you're buying from the grocery store. Alright, bacon, sausage, roll, right, repeat. Really simple to do. And as I said, this is great for a Saturday or Sunday afternoon, a real quick, nice, light meal. It's kids will love it. I love it, and I'm a big kid. Alright, so as I said, trim the excess pastry off. Don't go too close to your edge like I just did there. Don't worry, you can patch that up with a little bit more pastry. Alright, so roll those up like that, and we've got one more thing to do. I'm going to cut these ones into half. Normally I'll do thirds and make smaller rolls. These ones, we're going to make them a little bit bigger. Alright, so all we're going to do is cut those in half, just like that. Really simple. I'll fast forward this bit for you because it's going to be boring. Alright, so arrange those any way you see fit on your oven tray. As you can see, I've got a bit of baking paper there. That just makes things a little bit easier to clean up. Stab a few holes in the top of each little sausage roll that we've made. That's going to allow the steam to come out and keep them nice and crispy. I want them even crispier. I'm going to add in a little bit of egg wash. This is an egg beaten with a little bit of milk in this instance, and we're just going to give those a nice little coat of that beautiful egg and milk mixture. Alright, Really simple to do. My oven is already sitting at 180 degrees Celsius, and that will be our cooking temperature for these little ones today. Alright, so we're just going to paint those up just like that, and I want a little bit more flavour. Alright, so what I'm actually going to do, I've got some sea salt, and I'm just going to give those sea salt flakes. I'm just going to give those a little bit of a sprinkle over the top, and they're going to go a beautiful golden colour when they cook. And I'm going to put a little bit of dried oregano over the top as well, and that'll stick to that nice egg wash that we have done. Once we've got all those together, they're going to go into the oven around about 20 to 25 minutes until they look something like that. Alright, we've got our tomato ketchup at the back there, ready to serve up. I've got a nice little board. Serve up your double pork sausage rolls and your homemade ketchup, just like that. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. More importantly, you want to learn how to make some really easy comfort food with a different flavour, just like this one. You need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again after I eat my double pork sausage rolls and homemade ketchup, and I will catch you next time. Bye.